How to remove card from Doordash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can remove card from Doordash. For this, you want to open the Doordash app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top of your screen. From here, you will find different options. Go ahead and select the one that says payment methods. Now all of your payment methods will be visible over here. If you want to remove any form of payment in DoorDash, then you want to slide the payment method you would like to remove. So if you want to remove a debit or credit card, go ahead and slide that to the left until it is removed. After that, your card will be successfully removed. If more than one card is on the account, click the card you would like to set as default card. A check mark will appear next to the card that is set as default. If you want to add more payment methods, simply tap on your preferred payment method. For example, if you want to add credit or debit card, tap on that option. Now enter the card number, expiration date, CVV number and postcode and tap on the add card option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.